Students, good morning. Today I discuss you a story writing. Write down the theme of the following story, not more than 50 words. এই স্টোরিটা থেকে থিমটা লিখবা। Angela and Darren have two children. Their son Kelly is 20 years old. He helps them take care of his little sister Rita, who is only 6. He loves her very much and he is happy that he can help his parents to take care of her. But sometimes it can feel like a lot of work. আবার বলছি প্রথম থেকে। অ্যাঞ্জেলা অ্যান্ড ডারেন হ্যাভ টু চিলড্রেন। অ্যাঞ্জেলা এবং ডারেনের দুটো সন্তান আছে। দেয়ার সন কিলি ইজ 20 years old. কিলির বয়স 20 বছর। হি হেল্পস দ্যাম টেক কেয়ার অফ হিজ লিটল সিস্টার রিতা হু ইজ অনলি 6. সে তাদেরকে সাহায্য করে তার ছোট বোন রিতাকে দেখাশোনা করে, যার বয়স 6 বছর। He loves her very much and he is happy that he can help his parents to take care of her. But sometimes it can feel like a lot of work. One Friday afternoon, Kelly's parents both have to work late. They ask him to pick Rita up at his school in the afternoon. Of course, Kelly says yes, because he does not have any plans and he knows it is very important to help his parents when he can. সে তাকে খুব ভালোবাসতো। সে সুখী ছিল কারণ তার মা বাবাকে সে খুশি করতে পারত এই তার বোনকে দেখাশোনার মাধ্যমে। কিন্তু মাঝে মাঝে অনেক দায়িত্বের মধ্যে কাজের মতো মনে হতো। একদিন শুক্রবার অপরাহ্নে কেলির মা বাবা দুজনেই কাজ থেকে দেরি করে আসলো। দেরি হবে, তখন তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করা হলো যে তাকে স্কুল থেকে আনার জন্য। অবশ্যই কেলি সেটা হ্যাঁ বলেছিল, কিন্তু তার অন্য কোনো কাজও ছিল না। যতক্ষণ সে পারত ততক্ষণ সে তার মা বাবাকে সাহায্য করতো। Around 3 in the afternoon, Kelly gets a call on his cell phone from his best friend Peter. এই 3টার দিকে, অপরাহ্ন 3টায়, কেলি তার প্রিয় বন্ধুর কাছ থেকে একটা ফোন পেল, পিটার। Kelly, forget about whatever plans you had for today, his friends exclaims. Jessica's mother just offered to let us use her country house this weekend. Kelly তার কাজের কথা ভুলে গেল। তাকে জিজ্ঞেস করলো, পিটার জিজ্ঞেস করলো যে জেসিকার মা তাদেরকে তাদের গ্রামের বাড়িতে ছুটিতে যাওয়ার জন্য বলেছে, চলো সেখানে যাই। The only thing their friend Jessica can ever talk about is her mother's enormous luxurious country house. It has lots of bedrooms, a huge swimming pool, and a well-equipped gym room. They can also listen to very loud music there because there are no neighbors to complain. Kelly and his friends always talk about going there. Come on, we will leave in 15 minutes. Get ready, Peter exclaims. Kelly looks at his watch and thinks about how much fun he could have with his friends in the country. He knows the teachers at Rita's school will call his grandmother if he does not pick her up. He hesitates for a moment, very tempted to go with his friends. But of course he knows he cannot let his parents and sister down and leave Rita alone. He tells his friend, "Thank you for the invitation," but he has made a promise that he really must keep. Realizing he does not have much time left, Kelly rushes to his sister's school. He is 5 minutes late, and when he gets there, he sees that Rita is very scared and is about to cry. She is the last student at the school, and the teachers are waiting with her. When she sees her big brother rushing to the door at the school, Rita smiles and laughs with relief. She runs to him and gives him a big hug. She says she is very happy to see him. Kelly realizes that he has done the right thing. এটা থেকে একটা থিম লিখবা, আরেকটা হচ্ছে একটা কবিতা থেকে I sit in one of the dives on 52nd Street, uncertain and afraid, as the clever hopes expire of a low dishonest decade. Waves of anger and fear circulate over the bright and darkened lands of the earth, obsessing our private lives. The unmentionable odor of death offends the September night. থিমগুলো কেন বলছি? কারণ থিমে নাম্বার আছে 8 নাম্বার। তোমরা থিমটা লিখতে পারলে ঠিক মতো 6 নাম্বার ইজিলি পেয়ে যাবে। এবং থিম আর সামারির মধ্যে ডিফারেন্স আছে, সেটা বোঝাবার জন্য তোমাদেরকে আমি একটা সামারি লাগার জন্য বলছি। A peace movement is a social movement that seeks to achieve ideals such as the ending of a particular war for all wars, minimize interhuman violence in a particular place or type of situation, including ban of guns, and is often linked to the goal of achieving world peace. Means to achieve these ends include advocacy of pessimism, non-violent resistance, diplomacy, boycotts, demonstrations, peace camps, supporting anti-war political candidates and banning guns, creating open government, direct democracy, supporting people who expose war crimes or conspiracies to create wars, and making laws. Different organizations involved in peace movements may have some diverse goals, but one common goal is sustainability of peace. Peace movement is basically an all-encompassing anti-war movement. It is primarily characterized by a belief that human beings should not wage war on each other or engage in violent conflicts over language, race, natural resources, religion, or ideology. It is believed that military power is not the equivalent of justice. The peace movement tends to oppose the proliferation of dangerous technologies and weapons of mass destruction, in particular nuclear weapons and biological warfare. Moreover, many object to the export of weapons, including handheld machine guns and grenades, by leading economic nations to lesser developed nations. এভাবে তোমরা এক একটা প্রশ্ন ধরে সামারি লিখবা, থিম লিখবা। আর একটা আমি তোমাদেরকে রিঅ্যারেঞ্জ দিচ্ছি। এগুলো সব তোমরা, আজকে আমি আনসার দেবো না, তোমরাই আনসার করবা এরকম ঘেটে ঘেটে। যেমন দেখো, rearrange the following sentences to make a coherent order. Number 1. During his stay, received an unpaid letter from his friend which contained nothing but some words. Number 2. With a great hope in mind, he opened the box. Number 3. He wanted to teach his friend a good lesson. Number 4. An English poet was staying in Italy for the benefit of his health. Number 5. To his utter surprise, he found nothing out ordinary stone. Number 6. Thus the poet taught his friend a good lesson. 7. So he procured a heavy stone and picked it up in a fine box. Number 8. His friend thought that the contents of the parcel were valuable, so he paid the heavy charge for carrying. Number 9. The poet had to pay double postage, so he became very annoyed. Number 10. Then he sent it to his friend with the words on it, carriage to be paid on delivery. আজকে তোমাদেরকে আমি প্রশ্নই দিলাম, আনসার দিলাম না। আজকে ক্লাস এই পর্যন্তই। Thanking all of you. Good day today.